Because he's standing right here.
Folks, thanks so much for those kind contributions to our Singers Chip buckets.
So what a pancake.
In New York.
Yep. Fourth day? Third day? Fourth.
Yeah.
And that was Stardust.
Ellen Stardust. So it's all the wannabe singers basically on Broadway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty close to Times Square, and a beautiful meal. Went for the pure American chicken and waffles and maple bacon and all that sort of healthy stuff. Yeah. What'd you have?
Breakfast burrito.
Yep. Anyway, what are we doing today?
We are hopefully going to see the Statue of Liberty. Yeah.
Hopefully.
I think there is a ferry that goes over to Staten Island, and on the way you go past it. So that's the cheapest way you can do it. I think it's used to be free, but the guy at reception just said it's I think it's like $4 now. So very cheap and way worth it.
Yep. And then, as usual, whatever else we see on the way.
Yes.
And then fly out tonight at
9 o'clock, so we've got a long day, but yeah. Let's get into it
before we get run over.
Yeah.
The size of their big, whatever they are, big cars. Yeah, that one is expensive, isn't it?
Long time. Oh, down Levi's?
No. I think we could just take the big ones.
Ready for the cold?
Ready for the Statue of Liberty.
Ferry or staton? No, just go around.
Just want to go round.
So you speak French? Like the helicopters, everything's good with the helicopters.
That building looks nice. I don't know what it is though. Maybe a hotel?
Casa Cipriani. No idea. You know where you're going?
No, I do not know.
No?
Do I ever know where I'm going?
Is it free though?
Yes, right.
It's free. Nice. There's not a lot here that's free, but
This is going to be one of them.
And you have on the second building because
Go on.
it's just organised chaos. Not got enough for us.
So what's the group on
Thoughts?
She's big.
It's really cool to see it, but there's just
Way too many people in here. Which is going to happen. It is free.
Should we go in?
Yes.
so the ferry takes you to Staten Island, which is I guess. Yeah, straight across from New York, and it takes you past the Statue of Liberty, so that's why everyone's on it.
Yeah, and it's free.
Yeah. So you get off here and then you get back on and head back across.
Vente Juan Pablo para la foto. Vuelta Maricel. Una, dos, tres. Vente Galán para la foto con la Estatua de la Libertad. Acá ponte delante de mí. Vente la
Can you try to get a portrait of me?
Yeah. That's really cool, isn't it?
All done.
All night on the ferry.
Right, let's
Oh god.
get back to the hotel and pack up,
Let's go.
get our bags and look at getting out of here.
Back to England. Warmer weather.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is that the flying roll? That's it.
Trust to see.
The old A350-1000.
Well, here we are. It is the next day and we are back from New York. Pretty much crashed, didn't we?
Knackered. Still tired now.
Slept all night, slept all morning and still knackered, but what is it? couple of hours behind.
5 hours.
5 hours behind, yeah, all over the place with the jet lag. But anyway, that's going to do us for this episode. Hopefully it was a good one. Hopefully the last couple of episodes were good ones. I know it's been a bloody incredible trip for both of us. Real eye-opener for me. Not used to people, but is what it is. Anyway, that's New York done and dusted. Next is, I don't know, we'll try and get to see some stuff around here.
Yeah, we haven't actually got that much time, but
yeah. Everything has been flat out. And Stonehenge, I want to try and get to Stonehenge, compare it to Esperance, not Exmouth. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess that's going to do us. Got a big year next year of this year. Working.
Work and travel and work and travel. And,
yeah, something like that. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Okay.
Oh.
Get a photo of you both if you want.
We can try.